You ever walk into a room, look around, and suddenly think, wait, haven't I been here before? Even though you definitely haven't? That weird, glitchy, Matrix-style moment where your brain is like, yeah, we've done this. But your calendar says, nope, first time. Congratulations, my friend. You've experienced déjà vu. And no, you're not psychic, probably. Let's break it down. Déjà vu is French for already seen, because apparently everything sounds cooler in French, even confusing brain malfunctions. It's that eerie feeling that a current experience is super familiar, like watching a rerun of your own life, but you're the only one who knows it. Now, here's the thing. Déjà vu is common, like super common. Studies say that about 60 to 80% of people have felt it at least once. That means if you haven't, either you're lying or you just live a really boring life. But what actually causes it? Let's start with the obvious. Your brain is weird. I mean, come on. It stores childhood trauma, song lyrics from 2005, and the entire McDonald's menu. But it can't always tell whether something is happening for the first time or the 500th. Great system. One theory says déjà vu happens when there's a timing error in your brain. Basically, your memory and perception are out of sync. Like one side of your brain hits record before the other hits play. So your brain thinks you've experienced something before, but really it just filed the moment in the been there, done that folder way too early. It's kind of like sending a text, then getting the reply before your message even finishes sending. Brain lag, or brain Wi-Fi acting up. Another idea is that déjà vu is your brain doing pattern recognition on steroids. You walk into a new place and your brain goes, whoa, this looks kind of like that Airbnb from 2018 with the weird smell and lumpy couch. So even if you haven't been here before, your brain is pulling pieces of memories that feel similar and slapping them onto the current moment. Efficient? Maybe. Creepy? Absolutely. There's also the dual processing theory. Sounds fancy, right? But it just means your brain processes the same input through two pathways, one a little faster than the other. If the fast one glitches and hits your memory bank too early, the slower one catches up a split second later. And boom, déjà vu. It's like your brain accidentally pressed reply all. Now, if you've had déjà vu and thought, am I psychic? Am I remembering a past life? Did I just unlock the multiverse? Chill. Scientists have looked into that too. Spoiler, there's no actual evidence that déjà vu is linked to anything supernatural. So no, you're not channeling a past version of yourself from Atlantis. You're just a human with a slightly confused brain. Now, let's talk about your hippocampus. No, not a hippo going to college. It's the part of your brain that handles memory. Some scientists think déjà vu is a misfire in the hippocampus. It's like your brain accidentally saves a moment as a memory the second it starts. So you think you're recalling it, but really it's just happening in real time. Imagine opening a new tab and your computer instantly labels it as previously viewed. That's déjà vu. Browser history confusion for your neurons. Here's a fun twist. Stress and fatigue can make déjà vu more likely. So if you've been pulling all-nighters, working too much, or surviving purely on caffeine and anxiety, yeah, you might be a déjà vu machine. Your tired brain is more prone to glitches, just like your laptop when it's got 47 tabs open and you haven't updated it in 3 years. There's also this thing called cryptomnesia. It's when your brain stores a memory but forgets the source. So when something similar happens again, it feels new, but weirdly familiar. Déjà vu might just be your brain plagiarizing itself. And for the record, epilepsy patients often report déjà vu right before a seizure, especially if the seizure comes from the temporal lobe, aka the brain's let's store everything weird here department. But don't panic. Just because you've had déjà vu doesn't mean you're about to short circuit. Most of the time, it's totally harmless. So if déjà vu isn't a vision or time travel or a glitch in the Matrix, what is it really? It's just your brain being extra, pulling files it doesn't need, jumping ahead of itself, or mixing up inputs like it's trying to freestyle. It's basically the neurological version of walking into a room and forgetting why you're there, but in reverse. You do remember, but you shouldn't. And it's not just humans, by the way. Some researchers are trying to see if animals experience déjà vu. Imagine a cat stopping mid-yawn, like, wait, did I already ignore this human today? Groundbreaking stuff. So what do you do when déjà vu hits? Honestly, nothing. Just ride it out. It usually lasts a few seconds, and then your brain resets itself like, LOL, never mind. But here's a cool thought. Déjà vu might be proof that your brain is constantly trying to make sense of the world, predicting, sorting, matching experiences, even when it gets it wrong. It means your brain is active, learning, cross-referencing, glitchy, yes, but also kinda impressive. Oh, and before we wrap up, let's clear up a cousin of déjà vu. Jamais vu. That That's when something you know suddenly feels totally unfamiliar. Like typing a word over and over until it looks completely wrong. Is door even a real word? Yeah, that's jamais vu. It's the wait, what? Of mental phenomena. There's also presque vu, that tip of the tongue feeling. You know the word, you almost have it. You're 90% there. Your brain is waving it in your face like, come on, you know this. But nope, just static. Mental blue balls. Brains are wild. So to sum it up, déjà vu is your brain having a small, harmless glitch while trying to match the present with the past. It's not magic. It's not a prophecy. It's not your past life calling. It's just your mental software going, wait, haven't we done this before? And if you feel like you've heard this exact explanation already, well, that's just perfectly ironic, isn't it? If you made it to the end of this video, congrats. You now know more about déjà vu than most people who blame it on Mercury retrograde. Smash that like button if you've ever been personally victimized by your own brain, hit subscribe for more weird science breakdowns, and share this with that one friend who thinks déjà vu means they're psychic. Because hey, maybe they are, or maybe they just need more sleep. Either way, thanks for watching. See you in the next one, unless we've already met. Déjà vu, remember?